Having taught physics for over 36 years, I have understood that thinking is not easy and it takes effort. It does not come naturally. We have to set our minds on it. So, critical thinking requires a lot of effort and practice. So, I'm going to share a question that I've asked many times to my students. And this is not a math question. This is, believe me, not a tough question. It really shows the power of critical thinking. So, when you get into critical thinking, you know that you have to ask good questions. You have to take stock of the situation. You have to decide where you're going to. That means you have to know your goals. You have to really analyze the situation. So here is the question for all of you. There are 10 machines in a factory that makes ball bearings, tiny spherical steel balls. And each ball is to have a mass of 1 gram. Unfortunately, one of the machines has gone faulty. Is not working as it should. And therefore, instead of producing balls of mass 1 gram, it is producing ball bearings that have a mass of 1.1 gram. Now, that's such a small difference that you can't make it out by looking at them. You can't even make it out by holding it in your hands because that difference in mass is not easily perceivable. Therefore, you are given the task of finding the faulty machine. But here's the thing. You have to do it as quickly as possible since this is an exporting company. And you can only have one weighing. You can only take the weight once. Of course, you're given a weighing scale and you're given samples from each machine, and you can take as many ball bearings as needed from each sample. So it's an unlimited number of sample balls from each machine. But the thing is, you can only have one weighing. If you put something or remove something from the scale, that will be counted as a second weighing. So you can't do that. Once you put some stuff, that's it. You can't remove, you can't add anything more. How would you find which one the faulty machine is just by one weighing? That is the question. So in the comments below, put the answers that come to your mind, but after careful analysis of those answers. I want to see how many people will get this correct, and my next video will give you the answer. But before then, it's up to you. Thank you.